Good afternoon. Pardon me. As you may or may not know, Zoom Video Communications does several webinar trainings and meeting trainings videos per week. They have great interest to a lot of people, so this video will contain a link in the description below to the latest Zoom webinar training video. It will be sort of like a pinned post. I will rotate the link daily or whenever a new webinar training video comes out. They usually do them 3 times a week on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, and send copies the next day. So usually on Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays, each link will be different. So the Thursday video would carry to the next Tuesday. There will also be a separate video just like this made for the Zoom meeting trainings. And there's also a 30-minute Monday through Friday Zoom getting started training. I may do a 30-minute video for that. We'll see, but as I said, this is the introduction video for the latest Zoom webinar training video that'll be featured in links below. Thanks for watching.